Yeah, good day, viewers. Welcome once again to another episode of Secure Your Wealth. Today, it's no longer a surprise that so many people, even in this current dispensation, don't have a bank account, and that's why they rely on their close relatives to keep money for them, or patronize all these local business people who come around to collect money on daily, weekly period for safekeeping. Some also still use this old method of keeping money inside a small container. Yoruba people will call it kolo. Well, I think that's something we need to really work on. And many, people feel timid to ask others how can they even start having or start using a bank account. If this message is for you, I just want you to pay attention so that we'll just take you and give you a step-by-step method so that you can as well be a bank account holder. First, you need to have a bank verification number, uh, and it's not a very difficult thing to get. It's free. Don't let anybody bamboozle you that you are going to pay. All you need to do is just visit any commercial bank, tell them that you want to enroll for bank verification number. Though they may ask you, do you have an ID card? It's just a way to help you anyway, and the whole idea is just to ensure that your details, your name and your date of birth, as it is on the ID card, is what they will use to enroll you, so that there will not be any form of discrepancies. And you all know that currently now, when there is a mistake on your name or date of birth, you can only change it once, or else it becomes a problem. So once that one is settled, you have ID card. Even if you don't have, but you are sure you know your name and your date of birth, the bank will give you a form you fill, and they will do all the screening for you. They will also register all your fingers. So it's also very important when you get to the bank at the point of enrolling, ensure you place your finger, your thumb and your four fingers correctly, and of course they will snap you, and that will be fine. Then if that one is done, they may give you a ticket. Maybe after 24 hours you can come back, and they will give you your BVN number. Before now, the whole idea before now, before the advent of BVN, many people have different banks on different names. So that, of course, BVN has helped to curtail that. So after that, they will give you a bank account opening form. So this is all the form you fill: your name, your address, your occupation, your next of kin. Then you append your signature. So it's also very important at this point, always ensure signature that you remember. Some people, is still very funny, after some period they will tell you they forgotten their signature, and what they will need is your passport photograph. One may be enough, and some banks too still take two. Then you give them your valid ID card. Out of all these valid ID card, you can use the voters card, you can use your NIN, you can use your driver license, you can use your international passport. But having all this, it's also very important to also have NIN, because it's a must to to open an account with any bank. Your NIN is very, very important. Then after that, you fill. Then they will do KYC, know your customer, every other information that is essential. You input in the form. Then of course, at the end of the day, they may ask you to pay a little token, which is very important. Minimum of 2,000, but if you have more, you can as well put. So with that, they can prime an ATM card for you. And if at the time you have an Android phone, you can set up your mobile banking app. For the registering of BVN number, at least whoever that is prepared to register for BVN in any commercial bank must attain at least minimum of 18 years. So you can register for BVN once you are 18 years and above. And it's also very important to note that the phone number you want to link with your BVN number will be such that you safe keep very well, and if at any point in time maybe you misplace that number, will be such that you can easily retrieve, because you can only change the phone number linked to your BVN once, and that's why you need to ensure that the phone number is such that you keep very well, and you not allow it to be misplaced for any reason. So if that is settled, then for the account opening, at any point you are opening any bank account, you are not subjected to pay any money in form of charges or in form of service charge. So please ensure that you are not bullied by paying extra money, because no bank officials will charge you for account opening. So it's very important that you have that at the back of your mind, and the whole idea is for you to use that account to save. At any point, you also, when you need cash, you can as well go into the bank and withdraw your money. So it's not as if when you go into the bank you'll be subjected to pay extra money because you want to withdraw cash from your account, compared to POS that use that for business. When you go to POS agent, you give them your ATM card, they are going to charge you. But once you enter into the banking or probably for any reason you want to withdraw cash, or you are paying in cash, you are not subjected to pay any money as in form of service charge. So it's very easy. So please, then it now boils down to the details you give them in the bank that will determine if you are opening a tier 1 account or you are opening a full savings account. For tier 1 account, you don't need any ID card. All you just need is your name and your details. They'll give you, of course, they'll give you the account opening form you fill. But for full savings account, you need a passport photograph, you need your NIN or any other ID card inclusive. Then you need your utility bill, which is your NEPA bill or your Loma bill, and that's enough. Then one passport photograph, then with the BVN number you are giving them, then of course you are good to go. You can start running your bank account. And if you now chose to open another account with another bank, all you need is just the initial BVN number you have to open that account. And if at any point you now chose to change the details on your BVN, you can only do that once, as I've said earlier on. Then you can go ahead to open another bank account, but with that same BVN number you have. So it's always very important to start from somewhere, and with that you can now choose to open other accounts of your choice with any commercial bank. So I think that's enough to at least give you a very brief and short idea about all you need to open a bank and start running your bank. Thank you for taking time to listen to this video. Secure your phone, secure your wealth. Thank you very much.